Submarines, most of us never see them, and that's the point. They're not just long, black tubes gliding through the deep. They're self-contained worlds packed with technology and people. Why do we need them? Over 70% of Earth is ocean, and most of it's unexplored. Submarines are our eyes and ears in that hidden world, used by navies for stealth and by scientists to explore the abyss. Imagine being sealed in a steel tube hundreds of feet down, with the ocean pressing in. For the crew, it's just another day. Their office must provide air, power, and withstand crushing pressure. One mistake can be catastrophic. Building a submarine is a monumental task, a blend of brilliant minds and tough hands. Next time you look at the ocean, remember, beneath the waves are silent giants doing critical, dangerous, unseen work. Submarines are more than machines. They're the result of decades of trial, error, and ingenuity. And their story is one of the dirtiest, most fascinating jobs on Earth. You don't just build a submarine, you assemble it piece by piece over years. It starts with the keel, the steel backbone, marking the official beginning. Submarines are built in modules, giant high-tech Lego blocks, each crafted separately. Media group, submarine modules in shipyard, large submarine sections being transported, interior view of submarine module assembly, add stock, distribute equally. Engine room, living quarters, command center. Inside, workers run cables, weld pipes, and install machinery in a chaotic, noisy, grimy environment. Every weld must be perfect. There's no room for error. Giant cranes lift these modules, aligning and fusing them into a seamless hull. Welders work in tight spaces, creating joints as strong as the steel itself. Once joined, the sub is a massive, empty shell, precise, streamlined, and incredibly strong. Walking through it, you're dwarfed by the scale and complexity. This isn't just construction, it's industrial art, built by people who get their hands very, very dirty. Every step is a testament to teamwork and skill. The result, a vessel ready to face the ocean's depths. What keeps a submarine from being crushed? It's all about materials and engineering. The hull is made from high-yield steel, strong, slightly flexible, and several inches thick. The cylindrical shape distributes pressure evenly, like an egg in your hand. Many subs use a double hull, a super strong inner pressure hull, and a lighter outer shell for streamlining and ballast. The space between holds ballast tanks, helping the sub dive and surface, and add safety. But the real magic is in the welds. Thousands of feet, each inspected by X-ray or ultrasound. Welders are among the most skilled tradespeople because a single flaw could mean disaster. Every curve, every seam, is designed to channel crushing force safely. It's a dirty, sweaty job with zero room for error. The result, a vessel tough enough to survive the deep. Once the hull is sealed, it's time to bring the submarine to life. Movement comes from a nuclear reactor, generating steam to spin turbines and propel the vessel, quietly and powerfully. For air, submarines use electrolysis to split water, making oxygen for the crew, while scrubbers remove carbon dioxide. These systems are the sub's lungs, working silently to keep everyone alive. Seeing in the deep, submarines use sonar, sending out sound pulses, then mapping the echoes to sea underwater. No windows needed, just technology that turns sound into vision. All systems are controlled from the nerve center, the control room, packed with screens and controls. Here the crew steers, monitors, and navigates, working in close quarters to operate this complex machine. Every system is interconnected, forming a mechanical ecosystem. The goal to master the dark, silent world of the deep. It's a marvel of engineering and teamwork. After years of work, the moment of truth arrives. The launch. Submarines are launched sideways down ramps or floated from dry docks, both dramatic in their own way. Watching a massive steel vessel float for the first time is a powerful moment for the builders. But floating is just the start. Next come sea trials. The crew and engineers test every system, from emergency dives to sonar, pushing the sub to its limits. The first deep dive is nerve-wracking, proving the hull's strength. Before launch, there's a christening, smashing a champagne bottle on the hull for luck, though sometimes the steel wins. From keel to sea, building a submarine is an epic journey. These machines are more than tools. They're monuments to human collaboration and the drive to conquer the unknown, and beneath the waves, they continue their silent, vital work.